good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. So, by the way, so the problem of Aurora Zamboanga del Sur is the segregation or waste management, because the waste management is the best for the people live in the area. So if you want to grow your area, so you want to manage your waste management and to make a good effect of your area, so to make a good impact to the people who live that particular area, to protect the environment and to promote a good discipline to all people in that area. So because of the people he don't follow the rule to make a good segregation for waste management, so the people who adapt to make a good environment, so you want to manage your waste segregation, so if have a good effect, so you want to teach your daily activity in every day to make a good discipline to your daily activities, and to other to make a good effect to the people who live in that society, to make a good effect to the people. So you want to promote a good discipline to others to make a good effect to the people who live that particular area. So you want to teach others to make a healthy waste to make a good waste management, to protect the environment who live it. So you want to teach the people who live that particular area to manage the waste segregation. So if you want to learn on how to a good discipline in the environment of waste segregation, so you are a protector of the environment on who live that particular area. So you want to manage on how to a good effect and not bad effect to the area. So teach yourself and to others to make a good discipline. So you want to understand on how effect the waste management or waste segregation to your particular area who you live. So you want to teach the people, so you create a good guide or guide us to the people who live. So you want to teach in others on how to manage. So you want to focus your goal or daily routine to make a good healthy environment, or you want to manage your daily activities in every day, or if you want to a good healthy environment. So by the way, it's a topic, it's all about waste segregation, the problem of Aurora Zamboanga del Sur. So thank you for watching, guys. So by the way, thank you.